Why are lightning strikes so loud and what happens? The explosive sound you hear is a powerful shockwave caused by intense heat and rapid air expansion. Let's uncover the science behind that thunderous crack. When lightning strikes, it heats the surrounding air to roughly 30,000 degrees Celsius, which is hotter than the surface of the sun. This extreme heat causes the air to expand explosively in a fraction of a second. This rapid expansion creates a shockwave that travels outward, producing the thunder you hear. Essentially, thunder is the sound of air violently rushing away from the lightning channel. You see lightning before you hear thunder because light travels at about 300 million meters per second, while sound travels much slower at around 343 meters per second. This difference means the flash arrives almost immediately, but the thunder can take several seconds to reach you. By counting the seconds between the flash and the thunder, you can estimate the distance of the lightning strike. Every 3 seconds roughly equals 1 kilometer. The sound of thunder varies depending on the lightning's path and your distance from it. A close lightning strike produces a sharp, cracking sound because the shockwave reaches you abruptly. However, if the lightning is farther away or winds carry the sound unevenly, you hear a rolling rumble as the shockwave components arrive at different times. This is why thunder can sound so different from one strike to another. Beyond the dramatic sound, lightning carries immense electrical energy that can ignite wildfires, damage buildings, and disrupt power grids. The intense heat and electrical discharge can vaporize moisture in plants and soil instantly, sometimes causing explosions or fires. Lightning safety is critical because of these dangers. Understanding what happens during and after a strike helps you appreciate the power behind this natural phenomenon. Now you know why lightning strikes are so loud and what happens during those dramatic moments. The explosive heat creates thunder's roar, and the delay in sound helps you gauge distance. Nature's power is astonishing and sometimes dangerous. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.